What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to make a screenshot on your Android phone. So here I have a web page opened on my phone and all I have to do is to simply click on the power button and the volume down button at the same time. As you can see, the screen flickered and it gives me options below. If I tap on this arrow below, I can make a long screenshot of all the page, and the button next to it where the pencil is to edit it, and I can also share it from here. Now to open it, just simply tap on the long screenshot that is taken, as you can see it here at the left side. If I tap it, it'll be open in the gallery where I can edit it or share it, and it'll be saved here if I want to open it in the future.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.